Attorneys for the officers accused in the April death of Freddie Gray head back to court tomorrow. Several more key legal issues in the case under consideration. WJZ is live. Derek Valcourt explains there are two hearings this week for the judge to decide. Derek?
Yeah, at issue here, will a jury get to hear the statements that the accused officers gave to investigators who were working the Freddie Gray case? 5 of the 6 accused officers told investigators their own accounts of what they say happened on the April day Freddie Gray was loaded into the back of a police transport van and received the injuries that ultimately ended his life. Only the van driver, Caesar Goodson, chose not to go on the record with his account of what happened. Prosecutors for State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby now want to use those officer statements in court, especially the statement given by Officer William Porter, who apparently indicated that several of the other officers were aware that Freddie Gray asked for medical attention.
It might be very difficult to prosecute the officers without at least some of these statements because, again, there aren't a lot of other witnesses to this. Most of the witnesses are charged.
Legal expert Adam Ruther expects defense attorneys will argue the officers' statements were not truly made voluntarily, and therefore the jury should not see or hear them.
In a case like this, obviously there are implications of, am I going to get to keep my job if I don't give a statement? What's going to be the impact on my career and my livelihood? And that's a whole additional level of voluntariness analysis that is going to be the subject of a great deal of debate.
Judge Barry Williams will have the final say on whether the officers' statements will be allowed as evidence. Those motion hearings get underway tomorrow morning at 9:30. They resume on Wednesday. We're live. Derek Valcourt, WJZ Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you very much, Derek. And we invite you to stay with WJZ for complete coverage. We will, of course, have the details of the pretrial motions in the Freddie Gray case.